Okay, Thomas, what sounds did you learn this week? And show me the action. And what are they crawling up your arm? Ants, very good. And what other sounds did you learn this week? And what's the action? Very good. And what's for?
Snake.
Very good. And what else did you learn this week? T for?
Tiger.
Very good. T for tiger. Yeah. And T for?
No.
T for?
Thomas.
Wow, well done. T for Thomas. And what's the last sound you learnt this week? Look at me. Very good. And P for?
P for pa.
P for?
P for pa.
And what did you make at school? P for?
For pa. P for pa. P for pa.
Lovely. Okay.
That's enough.